To produce a great recording, you need many skills and talents and the most sensitive equipment. To reproduce a great recording, you need perfectly matched precision components. Zenith Natural Sound Stereo brings you such components, including a full-range speaker system, blended and balanced by a master control panel that also lets you enjoy exciting stereo FM radio. And Zenith's famous MicroTouch 2G tone arm makes it impossible to accidentally ruin your fine stereo records. All in the luxury of fine furniture, from elegant hand-rubbed consoles to exciting new space-saving credenzas. Zenith Natural Sound Stereo reproduces the sound of great music exactly as it was recorded. At Zenith, the quality goes in before the name goes on. Why not get the best?